In this video, I'll show you how to replace the battery in your Volvo XC90 key fob. All you'll need is a CR2032 battery, and you can get these online. If you're interested, you can go check out the first link in the description, which will take you over to Amazon where you can find these for a good price. And the only other thing you will need is a Torx screwdriver. It's the star-shaped head of a screwdriver. As you can see on the back, they have this star-shaped screw. And so you will need a star-shaped screwdriver. This is a Torx size T8 that I'll be using. And if you don't have something like this, I will also leave a link in the description to get this kind of a screwdriver on Amazon. And all we want to do to start is remove that screw. So go ahead and remove this screw. Now we can just start to pry the device open. But there are these tabs up on the top, so don't just fold it open like a book. You want to push it off of those tabs or they will break. From here, you can use your screwdriver just to help you to pry the battery out. So you can see on the side, there's kind of an opening in the plastic right here. Just go ahead and gently lift the battery out. And now you can put in your new CR2032. And when you're doing so, make sure that the positive side that has the plus sign on it is facing down. Just click that into place, positive side down. And now we can put this back together. Again, be aware of those tabs. So we're going to slide this on top of the tabs first and push it down. And then we can kind of hold this down and put the screw in there. And just give it a twist. And there you go. That's all it takes to put a new battery in your key fob. I hope this helped you out. If it did, feel free to leave us a like or a comment. And if you ever need help with another one of your key fobs, you can come back here to this channel and we will have you covered with a tutorial just like this one.